Hey everybody, welcome to another YouTube video. Today we're going to talk about part 2 of the 1600 horsepower bolt-on twin turbo kit for the GTRs. We've got the counter rotation, the normal rotation GTX 3582 Gen 2 inside of custom housings. We've got the rest of the kit finished in terms of manufacturing, machining, cleaning up and packaging, and ready to go for a number of customers that are both locally situated as well as abroad. We have all of the components on the table over here. You're not going to be able to see that from the camera view that you are currently watching, but as you've seen from our other videos, you'll be able to get a nice, beautiful view of each of the components as soon as I'm finished talking here. So, without further ado, we have finished up all the rest of the components. This is in brief what you get. You get the 2 turbochargers, obviously counter rotation, normal rotation, genuine GTX 3582 Gen 2s. So it's a 1600 horsepower capable setup, bolt-on with manifolds. Screamer pipes, stainless steel screamer pipes, stainless steel downpipes, 80mm downpipes, wastegates, all the silicon connector hoses, boost pipes, all your oil in, water out hoses and fittings, all of your lines, all of your thermal sleeving, all of your thermal wrap, and pretty much everything you need to bolt the hardware to support 1600 horsepower onto your GTR without modifying chassis legs, without modifying the actual car itself. So all of these components here, which you'll see nice close-up pictures of each unit just now, has been carefully designed to fit into the real estate underneath the hood without allowing for cutting or modifying of the actual car whatsoever. So whether it be a race car, whether it be a street car, you don't have to take an angle grinder to any of the components to fit a large turbocharger or a larger turbocharger setup to be able to make 14, 15, 1200, 1600 horsepower to that engine. Yes, I know there's been a lot of comments, especially on our Facebook page, where guys have commented and said, yeah, but what's the point, because you can't run that kind of horsepower without modifying the engine and the transmission, etc., etc. Yes, we are fully aware of that. We are not advertising an engine upgrade or a transmission upgrade. This is a bolt-on turbo setup for those of you who want to achieve that kind of horsepower. Should that be your flavor of the day, this is the kit for you. You won't get this kind of kit, this quality and this comprehensive bolt-on setup anywhere on the planet for the money that we offer it at. It's genuine garage product. It's genuine garage rotating assemblies inside of our own custom housings, etc. But yes, you will have to modify your engine. Yes, you will have to modify your transmission. Yes, you will have to upgrade the shafts and the intercoolers and the intake, etc., etc. How long is a piece of string? Horsepower equals money. How fast you want to spend. It's that simple. So this is a starting point as a bolt-on setup. Let's say, for example, you want to or you're planning a project where you'd like to achieve 1600 horsepower or 1200 or whatever the case might be, boost dependent. This is obviously the hardware that you would need in order to get there. It does not include the intercoolers. It does not include any oil cooler upgrades or any of the other components. What you see here is pretty much what we offer at this time in this kit. We do, however, have a bolt-on intercooler upgrade coming, which will be ready at the end of March, beginning of April. That'll be another video. And obviously we'll have some carbon fiber bits that like ducts that will basically route the air through transmission coolers. We've got a CNC machine, larger sump or oil pan upgrade as well, which is machined from a billet or 2-piece billet, which will basically be launching inside of March, April as well. But for now, bolt-on, 1600 horsepower capable hardware setup. This is basically what you get. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope I've answered all the questions and clarified all the issues with regards to a stock engine will not handle the horsepower, turn the boost down. The stock transmission will not handle the horsepower, turn the boost down. A stock shaft, prop shaft, side shafts will not handle 1600 horsepower. We all know that, turn the boost down. So this is pretty much a hardware setup to give you that capability. Where you run it, how hard you run it, and what boost pressures you run it is totally up to you and the remaining hardware that you couple this kit up to. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you next time.